Hello guys, welcome back. In front of me, I've got a Samsung Galaxy A27 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account. Make sure you have an internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi. Open Settings, scroll down, and find Accounts and Backup. Go to Manage Accounts and tap Add Account. Choose Google. Here you can either create a new account or type your email or phone. Come on, tap Next. It might take a while. Enter your password and tap Next. Decide he'll be using this device, mark the option, and tap Next. You can review the terms and privacy policy, then tap Agree. It can take a while, so be patient. Here you can decide whether to back up your data like photos, videos, call history, or messages. It's up to you. You can tap Don't Back Up if you prefer. We've successfully added the Google account. To remove it, simply tap on it, tap Remove Account, and confirm. That would be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit subscribe and leave a thumbs up.